Today I'm going to show you how to connect GoCanvas to Mailchimp using Zapier, step by step. This is a great setup if you want to automatically move data from GoCanvas into your email marketing workflow, save time on manual copy and paste, and keep your contacts and campaigns more organized. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Zapier. Zapier is the platform we're going to use to connect GoCanvas and Mailchimp without having to build a custom integration from scratch. Once you're on the Zapier homepage, look for the Create option and click it. This is where you'll start building your automation. After that, click on Zaps. A Zap is just Zapier's name for an automated workflow. In this case, we're creating a workflow that starts with GoCanvas and then sends information into Mailchimp. Once you're inside the Zap editor, click on To Trigger. The trigger is the first app and event that starts the automation. Now, search for GoCanvas in the app search box and click on it when it appears. This tells Zapier that GoCanvas will be the trigger app. Next, you'll need to choose an event. Depending on your workflow, you can select the event that matches what you want to track from GoCanvas. Pick the one that best fits your use case, then continue. At this point, Zapier will ask you to connect your GoCanvas account. Click to log in and complete the sign-in process. Make sure you use the correct account that contains the data you want to send. Once your account is connected, Zapier can access the trigger information it needs. Now it's time to set up the action. Click on Action, because this is the part of the Zap that tells Zapier what to do after GoCanvas triggers the workflow. In the app search, click on Mailchimp. This will be the destination app where your data gets sent. Next, choose an event for Mailchimp. As with the trigger, pick the option that matches your goal. For example, you might want to add a new subscriber or update existing contact information, depending on your automation setup. After selecting the event, log into your Mailchimp account when prompted. Make sure you authorize the correct account so the data goes to the right audience. Once both apps are connected, Zapier will take you to the setup section where you can map your GoCanvas fields to Mailchimp fields. This is where you decide exactly how the information flows from one app to the other. Review the available fields carefully and match them correctly so your automation works the way you want it to. After that, click Build it in the top area if that option appears, and then run a test. Testing is important because it lets you make sure the connection is working before you turn it on for real. If the test goes through successfully, you'll know GoCanvas and Mailchimp are talking to each other properly. If everything looks good, go ahead and click Publish. Publishing activates the Zap, which means your GoCanvas to Mailchimp automation is now live. From that point on, the workflow will run automatically whenever the trigger event happens in GoCanvas. And that's it. You've now connected GoCanvas to Mailchimp using Zapier. This is a simple but powerful way to automate your data transfer, reduce manual work, and keep your email lists updated more efficiently. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.